Good morning, everyone. This is day 67 on the path of $30,000 a month. I already started off my morning. I made a video on the Mug Boat, which is my toy. If you do not know, basically I created a toy that sits on a coffee mug that mixes coffee, or you can just have it as a boat enthusiast souvenir. Made a video on that on TikTok for a Father's Day promo. So I got that up, and then now I'm gonna make a decal video. I still need to focus on my social media on top of my cold emailing and on top of Amazon. So I gotta really structure my day. I gotta really learn how to structure it properly. Just start off with this. I'm gonna do the decal video, and then I'm going to work on cold emailing, and I'm going to work on Amazon. So it's gonna be a busy day. So I hope you all enjoy. Before I forget, if you're new here, at the end of every single video, I go over my revenue from the day prior to show you how much money that we made. So stay tuned. All right, so I gotta tell you guys about something that just happened really quick. I'm on TikTok, I'm looking at some decal ideas so I can post a video, and I come across these credit card skins that you put on your credit card. So I did this a couple years back on TikTok as well, and it actually did the video kind of went viral. Well, I go on the TikTok shop and I find somebody that sells these skins. They are murdering the market. Like, this guy's selling one skin for $9, and there's over 100 orders, wait for it, of hundreds of designs that he has, and they're selling so much. I'm losing my mind. So big just explosion in my head here. My ADD is going crazy. It's loving this. It's loving this. So I'm printing out some of these designs that I think that could go viral on TikTok. I'm gonna post them, and I'll let you know what happens, because I'm gonna put them on my TikTok shop as well. So I will let you know if they sell, if it's not just, because he's got like 8,000 followers, like not that many, and he's selling hundreds of thousands of these. Like, he's made it. Like, this dude's making a lot of money. So I'm gonna go give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a couple days. If it doesn't work, I'm obviously gonna keep doing what I'm doing regardless of the decals, but why not try it? I already make stickers anyways, so I'm just gonna make skins. So anyways, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted today, and tomorrow and the next day, and keep you posted on it. While those skins were printing out, I just got to working on those other decals I had to get out. All right, break time. So these are gonna be the credit card skins. I got the stonks, the Hawaii license plate, and then the tax. I can't say the word. So I actually already made one. I'll show you. I just made a TikTok video of this one right here. Hopefully that does well. Then I'm gonna make another 3 and see if those sell. I'm just trying it out because I was like, dude, there's literally only so many people that are doing this, and he's killing it. So I'm gonna get out there, give it a shot, see if people like the skins. All right, so after we were done de-weeding, I had to label and put transfer paper on these. So got that out, weighing out some FBA shipments, and now we are working on our Shopify. We're trying to do back-end SEO work. I finally recorded that. And now we're working on our cold emailing and our cold emailing strategy and picking up leads, which I'll talk about right now. All right, so well, you're probably wondering why I don't have a shirt on. Coffee stained it, so that was awesome. So a couple of you have really helped me out with the cold email strategy, and one of the main things that I was concerned about, and the reason why I'm like, why am I doing this? I'm worried that my email is gonna get banned because I'm sending emails to unverified emails, right? So I had figured out a strategy here because I was like, this is where I was stuck. I didn't want to pay another $150 to keep buying leads, okay? And I was like, there's gotta be another way to verify my leads, because I can scrape pretty fast, but if they're not verified, like, I don't want to get in trouble. Like, that's not what I want to do. So I found out on Instantly AI, which I'm using, you can pay credit, and it's like super cheap, like $18 for 5,000 credits, and I was worried what the credit amount was. It's 1 credit per email to verify. So I'm saving my butt with $18 with 5,000 verifications I can use. So I could basically, I'm using 5,000, I could basically get like maybe 2,000 verified leads out of that 18, which I think is a good deal. So we'll see how that works. It seems like it's verifying these emails that I'm putting in right now. It just gave me a little relief knowing that there is another option rather than paying $150 for like 5,000 leads. So as you can see here in verification queue right now, so it's got one here, already got privacy e-fleet, says risky. So it's already saving my butt here. And these are all in queue. I hope it doesn't take too long. I literally just deleted the unverified ones. There's risky, unverified, and one that said won't contact. And so now I got this group right here of verified emails, including one of mine. As you know, this is the part of the day where I'm getting all the customer orders done. So we have some of those popular cat decals I'm getting out, and then also just some stickers that I already had printed. It's just a lot easier since I don't have a lot of inventory now. Today is over. I'm cooking up some food right now, into the gym, and I'm just gonna end up probably still working on those leads that I was just working on. If you have any tips for me, I know I've already gotten a lot, so I appreciate it. Anything else that I'm inputting, giving you guys, because I'm not perfect at all. Like, you guys are helping me out, you know? I really appreciate your help. We'll go over yesterday's revenue right now and see how much money we made. All right, y'all, so we actually made $11.04, which you can't see, but that's how much I made. $594.50 is what we made on Amazon yesterday. And so a total of $606, so not bad. So we actually ended up at $3,641. We need to be at $6,000 or $7,000 right now, sorry. But right now we're looking at bigger fish to fry, and we're also waiting on more mud goats to come in. So there are just a few things that are slowing down the system, but that is okay. This isn't a race. I mean, I would like to get there as soon as possible, but this is just how business is. It's never. This is why I make these videos, so you can see that there's not always just ups, and there are definitely downs, and I just really want to be transparent with all of you. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And then also, if you haven't subscribed already, and you love this video, I make a video like this every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I hope to see you all tomorrow. Happy Thursday. I will see you all tomorrow for Friday for day 68. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.